Hey guys, and welcome to episode 4 of the Spigot plugin development series. In today's episode, we go over how to use and create config files. This could be a pretty basic way of doing it. The next episode, I'll be showing you guys a more complex way of creating files, as well as creating like a data.yml or a settings.yml. But without further ado, let's get right into it. We'll be using the code from last episode, the heal command code. So when you're on enable, the first thing you want to do is type this .save default config. Config.yml is built into this Java plugin. It's built into Bucket, so it's really simple to make it and really easy to use. So once you have this typed into your on enable, go ahead to your src, right click on it, go to new, file. We're gonna name this file config.yml, just like creating a plugin.yml. Then we'll go into our heal class over here. And there's two things that I'm going to change through our config. I'm going to change the heal amount and the message right here. So inside the set health, I'm going to do plugin.getConfig.getDouble heal amount. This message, this string right inside the get double, is actually the path of where it is in the config. So whatever it is right here has to be exactly the same as the config. So we're going to go into our config now. And I'm going to type in heal amount. And we'll set it to 20.0. Exactly the same, just like we're getting it exactly the same. The exact same message right there. Next, I'm going to change this send message real quick. And the first thing I want to do is a chat color.translate color codes, so players can do an and symbol. And then inside here, we're going to do plugin.getConfig, the same exact way we did before, only if I can type. Oh my god. Get string, and we're gonna name this messages dot heal. I'm gonna show you guys what this dot does right here. So in our config.yml, type in messages, go down a line, do 2 spaces, type in heal, and then we'll type in the message. We'll say happy you have been healed. Oh, geez. You've been healed. Awesome, and that's really it. That's all you have to do. I am going to show you guys one more thing before we run it. I'm going to show you guys how to do placeholders. So right after this message, I'm going to do dot replace. And we're going to replace %player% with p.getName. And then inside our config, I'm going to change the message a little bit to %player%. So what this does is it looks through this message, and if it sees that there is %player%, it'll replace that with the player name. Alright, let's go into game and see how this works. Alright, now in game, if I type in /heal, I'll go ahead and get a message saying CMax, you have been healed. This is the exact message that we have in our config. Show you guys that it also works. If you go into your plugin folder, you'll see that you have a heal folder now. Inside the heal folder, you see the config. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this one more thing you can do with config files. You don't have to copy this at all. I'm not going to really go into the code out really much, but just so y'all know, to reload a config, you do plugin.reload config. To set something in the config, you do plugin.getConfig. dot set, and here you put the path. So for example, we can do messages dot no permission, and then right here this is what you set it to. So we set it to @C. You cannot do that. And the last thing is to save the config. So you can do plugin dot save config. This right here, the save config, it will get rid of all your comments. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you guys what I do instead. But yeah, that's pretty much all you can do with a normal config. And I think that's all I'm gonna show you guys for this episode. It is a little shorter than usual. That's because I'm going through my files right now, so these next few videos are going to be a little shorter. I hope you guys did enjoy it though. Please like and subscribe if you did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.